everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today I'm going to give you a tropical update, yes, because we have two tropical storms that we are looking at. We have Tropical Storm Faye, which is just making landfall in the United States like right now, and we have Tropical Storm Cristina, which we are also watching in the Eastern Pacific near the coast of Mexico, as you can see right there. But let's start off with Tropical Storm Faye, which is definitely very close to the United States. So, as you can see, it is right here if you don't know. So, let's go ahead and take a look here at the live infrared satellite loop here for Tropical Storm Faye. As you can see, it is all like right here if you don't know. So most of this is Tropical Storm Faye just now making landfall on the United States there, near New Jersey there. It's definitely, it is making landfall on the United States. It's definitely, that is where it is. Definitely can be some heavy rainfall, definitely lots of rainfall. So definitely be prepared for flooding if you live in the Northeast or near the Mid-Atlantic coast. So definitely be weather aware with that. So definitely do have Tropical Storm Faye now making landfall. So I'll give details on Tropical Storm Cristina also coming up in today's video, as well as a future track for both of them with the radar and a future track 24-hour accumulated rainfall, so you know exactly how much rainfall you get. But let's start off with all the details on Tropical Storm Faye. Maximum sustained wind was 50 knots, yes, aka 60 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure 999 millibars, located at 38.4 north, 74.5 west. Movement north at 10 knots and 12 miles per hour. Yes, so that is its current location. Let's go and take a look at its track. So this is the information. So this is the heavy rainfall from Delaware northward into New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, southeast New York, and southern New England may result in flash flooding and urban flooding in areas with poor drainage. Widespread river flooding is not expected at this time. So let's go ahead and if we can, I don't know if we can click on this, but let me just zoom in on this. And so as you can see, it's a little bit blurry, but you can still kind of see its track. So 11 a.m. Friday, that's just about now, yes. That was just about an hour ago, it was right here. As you can see, its track is moving this way. And along its way, it's looks like it's going to be here 8 a.m. Saturday, 8 p.m. Saturday, and 8 a.m. Sunday. And by 8 p.m. Saturday, it's just now leaving the United States. So yes, that is its track. And this is the total accumulated rainfall. I'll give you the exact details in inches and like exactly how much rainfall there is coming up, so stay tuned. But yes, that is Tropical Storm Faye. Now let's switch gears and start talk. Well, actually, I want to go ahead and show you its future track. So let's go ahead and take a look here, starting off right here. Actually, yes. So starting off, this is about 6 a.m. today, so we already passed this. So again, look what happens. So this is 6 a.m. This is this morning. So notice how it's just the rain is now starting to get onto the United States. Let me go ahead and just zoom in real quick so you guys can see it better. Yeah, so notice how it's just now starting just to rain in parts of Delaware. I can't really see that a little bit of Massachusetts, and it's just starting to get rain. But notice how the heavy parts of the rain and storms have not hit. Now let's take this a little bit another scan future. This is about noon. This is just right now. This is actually exactly right now. This is like live. So definitely see it definitely made landfall, and see this heavy rain here? It's making landfall right now. So Tropical Storm Faye made landfall. Yes. So definitely made landfall with the rain in parts of Delaware, New Jersey, and Maryland. Definitely. But here's the Here is the entire thing right here. But here has its made landfall right here with that heavy rainfall is now hit it. Now let's go ahead and time this out a little bit further here instead of talking about how it made landfall. So let's time this out here. And definitely this is about 6 o'clock tonight. Notice how it's made more landfall in the United States, got further in there. And then times out a little bit further here. It definitely has gone to parts of New York about 6 a.m. tomorrow. And then tomorrow at this time, it will be around the New York area about noon tomorrow. and then it will move into parts of northern Vermont and northern New York, and by midnight Sunday, it is out of here. But yes, that is the exact track on that. Now, I'm gonna go and show you here, back all these up here, so because that's not all I need to show you about its track. I need to go ahead and show you its future rainfall total. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this over here to 24-hour accumulated rainfall here, just so I can show you what we're going to see with the future rainfall. Now, as you can see, we are already starting to see some rainfall in the United States. So let's wait for this radar to load up here. And as you can see, we're already starting to see 3.2 inches, 4 inches actually, for parts of this here. Definitely already starting to see some rainfall starting to happen here. So, and they're almost ready. It's definitely 4.64 rainfall, and it's ready. So let's go and time this out for you guys, the rainfall. So this is about midnight Saturday. So we're going to see this tonight. This is tonight. And then at Saturday at 6 a.m., I think that's, it's tomorrow. And look what they do. So we see 3.3 inches, and I think that's Dover, Delaware, I'm pretty sure. And then, yes. And then 5.14 inches is definitely going to be one of the max. Yeah, 5.14 right there on the Maryland and Delaware line. 5.14 is what I see. 4.37. That's definitely the worst. And then so far, New Jersey, the worst you guys are going to see are just about 4 inches. Northern New Jersey at this point, 1.60 inches. In Connecticut, you guys are really low. But watch what takes a turn here. To go ahead and take a look at more in the future, definitely see some more rainfall there, but then it moves more north. So let's go ahead and change this to 24-hour accumulated rainfall real quick and see what happens. And as you saw, it's just now making landfall. So heavy rain, I bet you guys are getting pounded right there in Delaware if you live in Delaware and in Maryland, that area. I guess you're getting pounded by rain. So we already saw this, and look what it definitely is going to have a bigger impact on Delaware and Maryland, and not so much in New York and Vermont and stuff. But the worst you guys can maybe see is just around 3 or more inches. Definitely could see more, but around 3 inches is what I see. And then it moves out of here. But yes, that is its exact track. Again, this is the radar. This is the live infrared satellite. Just one more time before I move on to Tropical Storm Cristina. Definitely see it right there. Has made landfall right here. Yes. So now let's go ahead and switch a lot of gears here and take a look here. Yeah, one more time at the current information. Here you go. So let's go to back this up here and go ahead. So again, there it is. Look at the Eastern Pacific here. So definitely see Tropical Storm Cristina. So now we're going to be talking about a lot about Tropical Storm Cristina. So here it is. So this is not far off the Gulf of Mexico here. So just about this far here, but still pretty far off in Mexico. You are not going to see any rainfall according to any of the models. You guys should not see any rainfall. So definitely be prepared. So this is Tropical Storm Cristina. Here is its current satellite here. And you know what? While we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and switch this to actually, sorry guys, but Tropical Storm Cristina is not going to be able to have a future radar because this is just not on the coast of America and they don't have models for that. But yes, definitely going to see this. So let's go ahead and get more details on this. So maximum sustained winds on this one is 60 knots and 70 miles per hour. Maximum central pressure is 993 millibars, located at 19.1 north and 114.2 west, and movement was west-northwest at 12 knots, 14 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and, again, look at it right here. This is the live infrared satellite. Look at this. It's right here. If you don't know, this is like almost the eye. This is moving really fast. Let me see how much I was moving again. I forgot. Go back here. Movement. Yeah, 14 miles per hour. That's slower than you think. It just looks a lot faster. It's actually not moving that fast. But yeah, it's definitely right here in the Pacific Ocean there. So that is it. Let's go and take a look at its track now. So this is its track. So again, 9 a.m. Friday, already passed that mark. So about 6 a.m. Saturday. So that's tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. It'll be here. It looks like it's going to say tropical storms here. And it's going to move here. And then the latest it goes is about 6 a.m. Wednesday. It's still a thing. It could go further, but I think it might die off by then. This thing's been around for a really long time. But yes, definitely that is it. That is that storm. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video on the tropics. Again, one more time, here's the future rainfall here. Let me just see if this can. Actually, yes. Sorry, guys, but this does not have anything to do with this part of Mexico. I see the Gulf of Mexico, but I don't see the models on, like, it just, you know where it is, right there in Mexico, or where the mouse is. So sorry guys, but I will not be able to show you the future radar for Tropical Storm Cristina, but I can show you the track, and I showed you guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If it was helpful, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I will keep you updated on the situation. So definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!